Hi, this is Steve Davis over at Real Wealth Academy, and welcome back to Success in 5. This is our third series, and this is going to be on commercial real estate. Commercial real estate is where everybody who starts investing in real estate ends up. And the reason is you can build wealth incredibly faster than you can with single-family homes. As an example, I want you to take a $5 million property that has a net operating income of $400,000 a year. When we buy that thing, we completely rehab it, we lease up all the vacant units and increase the rents on all of the other units. This changes our NOI to $600,000 a year. This is now a $10 million property. We effectively doubled the value of the property by simply increasing the NOI by 50%. This will all make sense to you after you watch these incredible videos with Angelo Webb, who is our senior operations consultant here at Real Wealth Academy. So let's get started. So let's define what commercial real estate is. Remember that 1 to 4 units, duplexes, triplexes, and fourplexes are not commercial. They are considered single family. They're even on the single family earnest money contract. Once you get above 5 units, now you're commercial. That's a true apartment complex. But commercial is much, much more than that. It includes self-storage, mobile home parks, RV parks, strip shopping centers, 6-story buildings, 70-story buildings, 100-story buildings. Anything that's a true business is commercial real estate. This next section answers the question, how are commercial properties valued differently than single family? Remember that single family is based off of comparable sales. If you go into a neighborhood where all the houses sell for $250,000, you buy it for $250,000 and you add $40,000 of amenities. Nicer kitchen, countertops, landscaping. Guess what that house is worth? $250,000. You just lost $40,000. Commercial real estate is the exact opposite. When we go in and make major changes to the property, we increase the value of the property. It's a thing called forced appreciation, and this is what I showed you in the intro. We took a $5 million property and in about 2.5 years turned it into a $10 million property. This section will focus on the different types of multifamily or apartments. You've really got 4 main categories. You've got market rents, you've got affordable housing, senior housing, and student housing. All of them can be highly profitable and build wealth very quickly and effectively while you serve those different categories. In this section, we look at the 2 different major types of commercial investors. You've got the people who put the deals together. This would be the actual operators. We refer to them sometimes as syndicators. They put the deal together. They locate the deal, they negotiate the deal, they raise the capital for the deal, they sign on the mortgage, and they manage the deal. The other type investor is a thing called a passive investor, and this is what I do. I give the operator syndicators my investable capital. They then take it and go buy apartments or self-storage or whatever, and they send me a check every quarter, and a couple times a year we do a really nice thing called a refinance, where we may get 80 or 150% rate of return. So you've got the operator syndicator, they're the ones who put the deal together and do all the work. Then you have the passives who put up the money and do nothing. This section answers the question, who should be interested in this? And the pat answer is that everyone should, because even if you're starting off with single family, you're eventually going to move to commercial because of its increased profitability. So Watch this. Angelo is incredibly experienced, incredibly knowledgeable, and he's going to share some ideas with you that could very well change your path of real estate investing. In conclusion, we're extremely excited to bring you this particular series of videos because this is where the big money is made. Angelo is going to give you so many ideas. Some of them may seem overwhelming. You may want to watch the same video multiple times. And you also need to subscribe to our other social media platforms so that you get as much of this information into your head as possible. All right, thank you for watching. This has been your Success in 5.